Erwin Data Intelligence Suite, Getting Started with Mapping Manager. Agenda: Creating and managing mapping specifications. After defining systems and uploading metadata, you can create mapping specifications. Mapping Manager enables you to create mapping specifications in multiple ways. In this section, you will walk through how to build metadata-driven source-to-target mapping specifications and enterprise standards to manage them. Creating and managing mapping specifications involve branching and merging mappings, deleting mapping specification rows, and viewing workflow logs. Getting started with Mapping Manager. Click on the tile bar icon to access the DIS modules. Go to Data Catalog. Select Mapping Manager. You can create source-to-target mappings using Mapping Manager module. Branching and merging mappings. Branching a mapping means copying the mapping and pasting it in another subject area or project. The copied mapping acts as a child map and the original map is called the parent map. Go to Workspace Mappings pane. Right-click the required map. Click on Copy Map and select Copy Selected or Copy All option. Right-click on Mappings pane and select Paste Map option. Mail Comments page appears. Enter the mail comments and click on Save. After making the required changes in a child map, you can merge it with a parent mapping. You can also notify project users about the merge through email notifications. Right-click on Mapping and select Merge Mapping option. The Merge Map page appears. Click on Next. The following page appears showing the changed data with respect to the parent map. There are two options to include the changes. Select the Overwrite Existing Version to overwrite the existing version. Select Create New Version to create a new version of the parent map. Click on Save. Deleting maps. You can delete multiple maps in a project. You can also opt to delete all versions of a map. Under the Workspace Mappings pane, select a map or maps. Use Shift key to select multiple maps. The Delete Mappings Selected Mappings list page appears. To remove a mapping from the current selection, click on Cancel. To delete all versions of the maps, select All Versions and click on the Delete button. To delete current versions of the maps, select Current Version and click on the Delete button. Deleting mapping specification rows. You can delete single or multiple rows in a mapping specification grid. Click on Edit Specifications icon. To delete, select the single or multiple rows in Mapping Specifications grid. Use Shift key to select multiple rows. Click on the Delete Rows icon. Viewing workflow logs. Default workflow is applicable to all the projects in the Mapping Manager. You can create your own workflow and assign it to a project by overriding the existing workflow. Under the Workspace Mappings pane, select a required map. Click on Workflow Log tab. To view the user and the comments entered by a user while moving into the next stage, hover over the stage. To view users and roles assigned to all the stages, click Expand Users and Roles. To download the workflow log image, click Export Image. For more information, please visit erwin.com.